Hey Mark, it's about 4:30 Christmas Eve morning, 2008. Here's just a tour of what's been going on. Here's a pretty cool one. This is a broadband amp based upon, not broadband, this is a narrowband amp. I think this one might be for 40 meters, I'm not sure. There's a little pill right down in there. And this is just one of these bolt-down VHF finals, but this is quite the saga playing with these guys in terms of the narrow banding, but good learning exercise. And there's quite the chaos going on here shack-wise. Here is one of my fixtures that I made for dropping these strip line opposed emitters in upside down. So there's bias resistors, and also it's a feedback amp. So here's the RC feedback right here, and then there's 4 different resistors for emitter degeneration. So I can just pop up a power supply on this guy and just see very quickly without soldering things down. Also, here's a really cool amplifier block that I made out of a balanced pair of bolt downs. These again VHF, and here's what's really cool. Here's some 16 watt TO220s FETs. These are 12 volt FETs. I think this is the LD MOS. Here's some 6 watters, and here's the magic. Here is some bolt down tab. These are 100 watts each on these FETs at 12 volts. So I should be having a nice linear, good intermod amplifier up here pretty soon. And also here is a bunch of these TO220s that are for these are 180 megahertz FT devices that Wes had found that also ought to be pretty interesting. And here's my stash of RF transistors. And then these bags are all sorted. And one of them's a VHF unit, VHF or UHF, that's it's $40 new. There was another one that's working just fine. He's $35 new. So definitely those carcasses are really paying off.